what is said about Piaget's theory here, that information is not received by the brain passively. That is one fact. Second, if brain is maturing, means the number of neuron cell is increasing in brain and brain is increasing by weight, that does not mean that you have acquired knowledge. You have acquired the knowledge, or you have understood the information. Now I will explain how it happens. We have 5 senses. Our brain develops first, and acquiring information from the surrounding is a continuous process. Every information is acquired through senses. No information can be accessed directly by the brain. Every information is acquired through senses. And when senses are immature, any unwanted information can enter into your brain. And as your senses become more matured, till the age of 16 or 18, your senses are considered as fully matured. Then only the required information will go into the brain and unwanted information will be resisted by your senses. But what happens? By the age of 16, your brain is fully matured and it has acquired many information. Among the many information, there are hardly 6 to 7% of information which are useful and important to you, and rest of the information are unwanted information. And that is the reason the human mind struggle with many situations. Why poor decision making? Because you have lots of unwanted information and you are lacking in wanted information, needed information. Why you cannot solve your own conflicts? Same reason. Because your unwanted information troubles you. And remember, what I am saying about the unwanted information and what Piaget said, that unwanted information is termed as subconscious and unconscious mind by the Freud. And what is wanted information, what is needed information, what is required information, that is conscious mind. Now I will explain you the second part. This is about the first part. What is said that nor is the cognitive progress seen as primary product of maturation of a brain. Means cognition. Cognition means understanding. Cognition means perception, reasoning, memory, information processing, intelligence. Intelligence is the most important and big component of cognition. So what Piaget says that the cognitive development is not necessarily a product of the maturation of a brain. Means, in other words, if brain cell goes on adding, does not mean that your intelligence is likely to develop. No. Normally, brain is considered as the storage of information. But if many unwanted information is entering into a brain, then it is itself a hurdle for the development of the intelligence. It is itself a hurdle for the development of intelligence. So it is a challenge to the psychologist. It is a challenge to the parent how to keep away their kids, their children away from acquiring unwanted information. And it is not possible, it is very difficult, because the child, the infant, the adolescence is staying in the same society in which parents are staying. And in society, all types